Did you know you can get the best parts of a Roku device directly on your Amazon Firestick? If you want to stop paying expensive cable bills, you need to download this official app right now. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Roku channel on your Fire TV, giving you access to hundreds of free live TV channels and movies with absolutely no jailbreaking required. Getting this set up takes less than a minute. First, grab your Firestick remote and head over to the Find or Search icon on your home screen. Type in the word Roku. You will see the Roku channel pop up in the suggestions. Click on it and hit download. It's completely official, legal and 100% free to use. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it up. The best part? You don't even need to create an account to start watching. Just navigate to the left side menu and scroll down to Live TV. Look at this amazing TV guide. You instantly get free access to premium news networks like ABC, reality shows, true crime, weather and 24/7 movie channels. It is literally free cable TV inside your Firestick. Now before you start binge watching, let me share a secret pro tip to keep your Firestick running fast. Inside the Roku app, scroll down to Settings and Account and then click on Advertising and Privacy choices. Make sure you limit ad tracking here. This stops the app from using your Firestick's background memory to serve targeted ads, keeping your streaming experience perfectly smooth. Enjoy your free live TV setup. But hey, if your Firestick has been running slow, crashing or buffering lately, you need to clear its hidden cache right now. Click the video on your screen to see the 60-second fix. See you in that video.